For those living together and those living apart. For classmates, graduates, and teachers making the best of it. For the restaurants delivering to our doorsteps. For the flankers putting the
Attention, this is not a drill, this is a message from the United States Secretary of Health a few hours ago. A 10-meter tornado was detected. Keep calm and follow the instructions that will be in 2 minutes. Attention, this is the 2&D notice. The instructions are 1. Keep calm. 2. Grab food and important things. 3. Find a safe place. 4. Take your loved ones to the safety place. Toronto type A. 4.